Hey, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. And today I have something interesting to share with you guys. It's just gonna be like a very quick video. So I decided to do this shoot right here, as you guys can see on the screen. A studio. I decided to try out something different because I'm all the kind of person that when you look at my feed on Instagram, you would not see everything looking the same, because I get the act of consistency that actually makes sense, that you need to be consistent with what you do and everything, but I feel I get really like I get very bored and tired of actually seeing the same thing on my feed. I know I'm a portrait photographer, I know I'm a fashion photographer. Sometimes you actually even catch me shooting like weddings or something. So I'm just like, oh yo, if it looks good, if it's something interesting, man, you find me there. I'm ready to like do that. So but at the same time, I know what my strong points is. So at the studio right now, we have this amazing model in the studio. I think her name is Maria, and I decided to try out something different in this particular shoot. So I decided to like bring out some canvas backdrops, which I got from Gravity backdrops, and also like I had like my favorite background, which is the green, or it looks greenish kind of background. Main idea for this shoot was I wanted to have a little bit of like should I say it's gonna be like a pin-up kind of vibe, like the 80s kind of vibe, but at the same time still mixing it with the contemporary new age kind of fashion. So you can see right here she's putting on like a bikini, and at the same time the whole set actually looks more like a, I wouldn't say vanity, but like, you know, the kind of like vibe you find in like the 80s or something. So I just wanted to mix both of them, so I decided to light it in this way, which I knew that okay, yeah, in the olden days, if that's what's being called, more around that period, they often kind of love the how am I going to call it? I'm going to call it the paramount, or is it the butterfly kind of lighting, in which, you know, you have your lights coming directly from up above, just like the Godfather. If you've actually seen that, like I felt that during that era, yeah, most of their lightings were like always like that. So I was like, okay, you know what, yeah, I'm gonna have my 7-foot parabolic umbrella directly overhead for the model, and I know definitely this is gonna create like a little bit of halo of shadow under the model's eyeballs. So I knew that was gonna happen. So for me to actually now like reduce the amount of shadow that's going to be on the model, I decided to add a few lights which was directly behind me, bounce to a wall, so it could just fill up everywhere, both the background and all of that. So mind you guys, this parabolic umbrella, which was directly up above, was not just at the front of the model, but this parabolic umbrella was literally even at the top of the model, lighting the model hair, and also lighting her face. So you can actually imagine the kind of shadow that's going to be on her face. So that's the reason why I decided to add a few light, which was directly behind. And yeah, and this is how we got some of the images right here. Even though I decided to switch it up at some certain points, I took out the background and all of that, and I just created the set just from like the normal stuff I have in my studio, lying around the studio, adding the fan, adding a little bit of fabric just to create like the textures and all of them things. So, and yeah, I hope you guys actually like the images right here, because I actually love the images. They look really stunning to me. And so if you guys think you actually learned something today, you actually enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the post notification icon or bell to get notified on my next video. I'll see you guys in the next one.